Alright, tech enthusiasts. Buckle up because today we're diving into a story so significant, so paradigm shifting. It absolutely exploded on Hacker News. We're talking about the intersection of legacy software, cutting-edge AI, and the brilliant mind of none other than Terry Tao. Yes, that Terry Tao, the Fields medalist, often dubbed the Mozart of mathematics. It seems even the greatest mathematical minds are now turning their gaze to the future of software development. And what he's exploring with modern coding agents could fundamentally redefine how we build, maintain, and interact with applications, both old and new. This isn't just about incremental improvements. It's about a radical reimagining, driven by intelligence that learns, adapts, and codes. Now, when someone of Terry Tao's caliber, usually known for his profound work in number theory or harmonic analysis, starts exploring something as seemingly practical as modern coding agents, the tech world sits up and pays attention. The core of this groundbreaking discussion, which took the top spot on Hacker News, revolves around a universal challenge: the chasm between aging, often brittle, legacy applications and the constant demand for modern, efficient, and secure software. For decades, businesses have grappled with this. They're stuck with systems built on outdated languages and frameworks, think COBOL, Fortran, or even early Java and C++ stacks, that are critical to their operations but excruciatingly difficult to update, scale, or integrate with contemporary technologies. This technical debt isn't just a nuisance. It's a massive drain on resources and a bottleneck to innovation. But what if we had an answer? What if AI could not just understand this spaghetti code but transform it? This is where Terry Tao's exploration of modern coding agents truly shines. Imagine an AI, not just as a glorified autocomplete tool, but as a hyper-intelligent software engineer capable of dissecting an old application's source code, understanding its underlying logic, identifying inefficiencies, and then rewriting it in a modern language or framework. These agents, imbued with sophisticated semantic understanding and code generation capabilities, could perform automated refactoring on a scale previously unimaginable. They could migrate monolithic architectures to microservices, update deprecated APIs, patch security vulnerabilities, and even translate entire codebases from one language to another, all while preserving the original functionality. Think about the implications. Companies could extend the lifespan of their essential systems, reduce maintenance costs, and unlock new possibilities for integration and innovation, all without the complete, often multi-year, multi-million-dollar re-platforming projects that are currently the only alternative. This isn't just maintenance, it's resurrection. But the power of these AI coding agents isn't limited to just breathing new life into the old. Their capabilities extend profoundly into the creation of entirely new applications. Forget starting from a blank screen. With these advanced agents, developers could describe their requirements in natural language. I need a mobile app that tracks my daily water intake, integrates with my health wearable, and reminds me to drink water every hour. The AI then could generate significant portions of the boilerplate code, design database schemas, create API endpoints, and even write initial UI components. This shifts the developer's role from writing every line of code to becoming an architect, a reviewer, and a guide. They would oversee the AI, correct its outputs, and inject the nuanced human creativity and problem-solving that remains essential. This accelerates the development lifecycle exponentially, allowing for faster prototyping, quicker iteration, and bringing innovative ideas to market at an unprecedented pace. The barrier to entry for building complex software could be significantly lowered. The reason this story became such a phenomenon on Hacker News is multifaceted. On one hand, There's the sheer intellectual thrill of seeing a mind like Tao's tackle such a practical, yet complex, problem. On the other, it represents a very tangible future for the software industry. The discussions ranged from profound excitement about increased productivity and innovation, to cautious skepticism about the reliability and quality of AI-generated code, and even anxieties about potential job displacement for developers. However, the prevailing sentiment seems to be that this isn't about replacing human programmers, but augmenting them. It's about empowering developers to tackle more complex, creative, and high-level challenges by offloading the repetitive, error-prone, and mundane tasks to AI. This means more time for innovative design, architectural elegance, and solving truly difficult problems that still require human ingenuity. Of course, this isn't a magic bullet. There are significant challenges to overcome. Ensuring the correctness and security of AI-generated or AI-modified code is paramount. The explainability of AI's decisions in complex refactoring operations will be crucial for trust and debugging, and the ethical implications surrounding intellectual property, accountability, and the future of work itself demand careful consideration. But what Terry Tao's exploration, highlighted by Hacker News, signals is not just a technological advancement, but a philosophical shift in how we perceive software development. It moves us closer to a future where AI isn't just a tool, but an intelligent collaborator, fundamentally changing the landscape of technology as we know it. The ability to seamlessly bridge the past and the future of software, to modernize legacy systems while simultaneously accelerating the creation of new ones, holds immense promise. So, whether you're a seasoned developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, the work being explored with modern coding agents, spearheaded by minds like Terry Tao, is something to watch closely. This is more than just code. It's the evolution of how we build the digital world. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Are these AI agents the future of coding?